So I bought me some veneers. I've been looking into them for a couple years, but I just never really did it. You know, you see one company and then a whole bunch of different companies just start popping up, and you don't know which one to go with. So I'm missing one right here. That was the latest one. This one down here. I'm missing 3 up here on this side, which you'd never really know unless, I told you. And I'm missing one way back here. And you wouldn't know that either, unless I told you. So I looked at a couple different companies and I read the reviews. And I looked at pictures of people that had them. Company that I went with is Pop-On Veneers. So this company, they say that you can eat with these, which is kind of why I wanted to get them. So as soon as you place your order with this company, within 2 days, the impression kit was at my door, super duper fast. It comes with 3 different trays, so you've got to do the impression 3 different times. And this is going to be a 100% honest review. Okay, cute little box. It says, "Hooray! Your new smile is here. Welcome to the Pop-On family." 3 free gifts. It says your 3D tooth models, Pop-On mirror case, and you get cleaning tablets. That's going to be the top. Okay, let's see. They're very tight, very snug. They're definitely not going to come off. That's for sure. So after wearing them for a while and kind of popping them in and popping them out a couple times, I am a little bit more used to them. But overall, I would definitely recommend them. I think they look nice. And for the price, it's kind of a no-brainer for me. Would definitely recommend. With the price of dentistry right now, I mean, you get a full set of veneers, thousands. There was no way I was paying that kind of money. Absolutely no way. So, overall, I'm actually pretty happy. And as far as the whiteness, they're definitely white. And actually, they're a little bit whiter than my teeth. They have like an aged white, a natural white, and a Hollywood white. And I'm really, really glad I didn't get the Hollywood white, because I feel like my teeth would be lighting up the room and glowing at this point. But overall, I'm very, very happy with these. I would 10 out of 10 recommend Pop-On Veneers for sure. And I'm extremely happy I went with this company.